Hi, I'm Nancy with Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon. I am pleased to present a previously pre-owned unit. It's a beautiful 2014 Unity Murphy bed with 3,000 miles on it. This beautiful garage kept Murphy bed is just absolutely in amazing condition, and it is going to make somebody very, very happy. Let's look inside. Leasure Travel Vans went above and beyond in 2014 to offer a Unity Murphy bed. Leasure was also the first company to offer a electric Murphy bed option with a U-shaped dinette. So you have the comfort of eating and sitting, watching television. You also have a full walk-around bed that is available to you at night. That is some of the main features of this unit. The other is the wonderful storage inside and out, the three-way refrigerator, a convection microwave, and the cherry on this cupcake is a big, beautiful bathroom with an extra large shower. These showers back in 14 were not something that was very prolific, and Leasure Travel Van was on the cutting edge of giving you a beautiful motorhome for a downsizer to have enough room to sleep and mobility and also use the bathroom. This coach, like I said, is on the Mercedes-Benz chassis. It's a 3.0 turbo diesel with a 5-speed transmission. This has been garage kept and maintained with a low 3,000 miles on it. This unit is ready to go. I invite you to come down to Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon. Let Dave, who's behind the camera, or myself know, and we'll be happy to show you this unit.